Today we're diving into a question that keeps coming up. Is Tesla stock still worth the hype in 2025, or are we just clinging to the ghost of past performance? Tesla's been a game changer for over a decade. EVs, semi-autonomous driving, clean energy, they've done a lot right. But despite all that innovation, there's a lot of noise around whether the stock is actually worth its current price. Right now, Tesla's market cap is sitting at around $1.05 trillion. Sounds impressive, right? But here's the thing, their revenue is down 9% year over year, and net income has plunged 71% compared to last year. They're making less profit and their margins are thinner. Yet, the stock price is still flying high. Why? Well, a lot of that comes down to expectation. Tesla's PE ratio is off the charts, around 176. For comparison, Toyota's is 7.4, Ford's is 8.3, even Apple and Nvidia sit way lower than Tesla. What that tells us is investors are betting not on what Tesla is doing today, but what it might do tomorrow. So, what are they betting on? Full self-driving, FSD, which still hasn't got full regulatory approval. Growth in energy storage, which is doing well, up 67% year over year, but it's still just 14% of Tesla's revenue. Global EV expansion, but that's a battleground. Volkswagen outsold Tesla in Europe last quarter, and Toyota's gearing up to pump out 1 million EVs a year by 2027. Oh, and don't forget BYD and NIO from China. They're coming in hot with lower cost EVs, and Tesla's share in key markets is definitely feeling the heat. Then there is the politics. We've got the whole Trump-Musk feud going on. Musk slammed Trump's spending plan, Trump shot back with threats to cut off EV subsidies. Those subsidies, up to $7,500 per car, were a huge boost for Tesla's recent sales. If those go away, so might a chunk of Tesla's revenue. So, where does that leave us? Well, it depends on how much risk you're willing to take. There are three possible scenarios. In the optimistic case, Tesla pulls it off. FSD gets approved, energy grows fast, EV demand stays strong, and the valuation makes sense. In the mild scenario, Tesla holds its ground, but slows down a bit. Growth is there, but nothing explosive. The stock cools off, but doesn't crash. And in the pessimistic case, FSD doesn't clear, China tensions cut into sales, Trump yanks subsidies, and rivals take the lead. Tesla's valuation could drop hard. Bottom line, Tesla's still one of the most exciting companies out there. But at this price, there's very little room for mistakes. You're not just investing in cars, you're investing in the idea that Tesla becomes the next big tech, energy, transportation, everything giant. So, is Tesla still worth the price? That depends on how much faith you have in the future and how much risk you're willing to take. Let me know in the comments. Are you buying the Tesla vision or sitting this one out? Thank you and goodbye.